Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black C and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about Solana and why I am such a Solana bull and where I think it could be headed here, because guys, we are starting to move into quarter 4. October maybe has officially begun. I believe that the lows are in for October. We're going to see if that statement remains true, and we're going to give you guys my opinion on where I think we're going to be headed here, because I'm very, very curious on what you guys think. Do you guys think that Solana is going to continue to make new highs? Is Solana going to go to the moon? I'm going to tell you what I think. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in this video, guys. So first things first, over on Crypto Twitter, I made a post a couple days ago about my general price predictions for this overall market. Now we're talking Bitcoin, and you may say, Black Sea, why are we talking Bitcoin? I thought you wanted to talk about Solana. I do. But really, if you guys are new to cryptocurrency and you're new in this cycles, you need to know that Bitcoin is extremely important. Extremely important when it comes to investing in altcoins. And yes, Solana is an altcoin. It is a blue chip, I will definitely say that, and it's becoming more and more clear day by day. But I say, you can follow me 333 Black Sea. I'm very, very active over there, guys. I'm trying to be more active over there as well. So if you want to stay up to date with me, follow me there. I say October through December 2024, $80,000 plus. I really do believe that. Today we wicked up all the way to $67,000 on Bitcoin, a big, big move. And we saw Solana follow not too far behind it. And then I do say February through March 2025. So we're talking the beginning of Q1 2025. I say $85,000 plus. And I do think that throughout the remainder of this year, I don't really expect a $100,000 Bitcoin. I know a lot of people will be upset about that prediction, but I think it may take a little bit longer. And I do want to say, guys, I want to say that it is extremely, extremely difficult to make predictions long-term when it comes to cryptocurrency. Yes, I am a cyclical trader. I like to swing trade. I am also a crypto investor, but I do like to make the bulk of my profit from swing trading these cycles. And that's why I look out further and further down the road, and I buy when it's low and I sell when it's high. But it is very, very difficult to do this, guys. You can follow cycles, you can follow past events, but there's always deviations. And I do have a deviation. We'll talk about that shortly. And I do say, so it basically Q1, I think that $85,000 plus, and I would not be surprised to see October 2025, after a year of lulls, shakeouts, potentially into the end of 2025. Yes, I know that sounds crazy, and I think that may be pushing the envelope a little bit. I think that out of all these predictions right here, I think that October 2025, 120,000 plus is the most far out there, because, guys, we're talking the bull market going way beyond its usual schedule into 2026. We should be topped out before 2026, in my opinion. But I do expect Bitcoin to reach 120,000, especially if we are above $85,000 into Q1 of 2025, guys. But now the invalidation. The invalidation is if we break below 57,000, everyone cries. And I do mean that. If we settle below $57,000, if we are closing weekly candle closures, monthly candle closures below $57,000, I'm going to say, especially in Q4, before 2025, I'm going to say, okay, guys, we need to zoom out here and figure out where we're headed here. Is the top in? Maybe the top is in for a long-term period, maybe a year or so if we see something like that. I know a lot of people don't want to see that. Not going to rain on anybody's parade, because right now, guys, we're pumping. Solana looks good. Bitcoin looks good. And it's very important that we're looking at Bitcoin when we are Solana bulls, guys. So where's Solana at? Solana is ranked number 5, seeing a nice $155, give or take a few cents. And when you look at this, guys, it's looking so good. $3.34 billion volume right now. Absolutely insane. $72.77 billion market cap. It deserves much higher. And I know that sounds crazy, but it deserves much higher. It has the biggest community, the cheapest transactions, constantly flipping Ethereum in 24-hour volume, guys. Ethereum needs to catch up. Ethereum has basically been an overcrowded trade over the past 2 years since the bottom of the bear market, and it really would have performed much better in Solana than Ethereum. I mean, trading from $8 all the way up to $200 at one point. Now we're back at $154. Pretty incredible to see that. If we break down the Solana chart as well, it looks good, guys. It looks good. I get that little smirk on my face because this is accumulation. I could see this start to form out a very nice W, if you will. I know a lot of people like to use technical analysis. Technical analysis is very useful. It's a good tool to have in your trading repertoire, if you will. But a lot of people, you can't just go off of technical analysis. But I will say, based on fundamentals and technical analysis, if we start to see this W out a little bit, I expect big moves for Solana, especially if Bitcoin is breaking above $85,000, guys. If Bitcoin is making a big break, do expect some fireworks here. I would not be surprised, and I know this sounds absolutely insane, but guys, I've been having targets of Solana at minimum $350. I think is an appropriate level to be looking at. I think if you want to get a little crazy, $500 to $800 Solana is possible. I have a price target there, and guys, I will be honest with you. Right now, I am getting ready to purchase 6 figures more worth of Solana, guys. I am a Solana bull. I've been a Solana bull since $8. I've bought, I've taken profit along the way, sold at $117, sold on the way up, and I'm still positioning myself because I think that we're getting close to the time for a big breakout here, guys. And I want to maximize my gains. I want more exposure to Solana. I think that Bitcoin dominance is getting close to being topped out here. And so I think altcoin season is right around the corner here. So when you look at Solana on the monthly as well, it's looking pretty good. I mean, the weekly is, I'm much more bullish on the weekly. You have a green dot on market cipher. You're seeing money flow starting to curl up. When monthly doesn't really say too much. Really, monthly says that we're consolidating. I mean, that's what we've been doing for the past 8 months for Bitcoin. I mean, everything else follows Bitcoin, guys. That's why I said in the beginning of the video, if you're new to the cryptocurrency space, you need to be paying attention to Bitcoin, guys. You have to be paying attention to Bitcoin. I know a lot of people say, Lexi, I thought this was going to be a Solana video. It's like, guys, pay attention. Pay attention to what's going on. If you want to make a lot of money, you need to pay attention right now to the overall market. It's as simple as that. You don't want to be caught holding the bag. You do not want to be caught on a move that brings us all the way down because Bitcoin decides to take a tumble and it wipes out the altcoins. You do not want to be caught in that situation, guys, so pay attention. But I do believe that right now, Bitcoin is setting us up to see Solana make some big moves. I'm a Solana bull. I want more exposure. I've just been buying some altcoins. I posted it the other day on crypto Twitter. I bought $50,000 worth more of stacks. I like stacks. I like Solana. Solana and stacks are my big plays this cycle right now. I've been peeking at SWE a little bit too, just because it's kind of giving me vibes of Solana. But back to Solana, I am expecting big moves. $500 is good. I'm probably going to start taking some profit around $300. But I'm ready to risk it. And yes, it is a risk. This is a risk-on asset. This is not financial advice. I put my money where my mouth is. I am prepared to lose money on this trade because, guys, buying significant amounts of altcoins when you're positioning to expect a big move, and if everyone's expecting a big move, sometimes there's invalidations. There's always invalidations. That's how markets work. That's why trading is the most difficult game, in my opinion, in the world, but it's also the most rewarding. It's a game of you versus you. It's very fun. I got the trading bug and the investing bug. I've been trading in cryptocurrency for nearly a decade at this point, and it's been quite a journey. I've made lots of money, and I've also learned many lessons. But I am expecting Solana to make a nice breakout here, guys. And if you expect Solana or some of these meme coins to do some absolutely massive moves, then please check out in the description box below. Oh no. Here we go. Let me reopen this for you guys. In the description box below or in the pinned comment below, we have a $5,000 sign-on bonus.
That's why I burned all my shoes, and you should too.
That's really weird. A feed ad? That's interesting. You can get a $5,000 sign-on bonus to Blowfin. All you gotta do is click the link, deposit, trade a little bit. They have lots and lots of liquidity on their exchange, and take advantage of some free money during this bull market, guys. If you expect to for Bitcoin and Solana to make big moves, you can really capitalize on it and make more gains with leverage. But also, please leverage at your own risk, guys. It's very, very risky, but it's a very useful tool to use. So where is Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin ready to continue to make these big moves to the upside? Are we expecting to see Solana follow suit? Well, guys, today Bitcoin did come all the way up to $67,000, and we are sitting at a nice 57.45% Bitcoin dominance, basically sitting at 59.5%. I do think that 60% is close to the top for Bitcoin dominance until, there's a big until here, until Bitcoin tests 72,000 and makes a new all-time high. When Bitcoin makes a new all-time high, I expect Bitcoin dominance to rally significantly, probably break above 60%, but not by much, until it really starts to cool off, and then you'll see Bitcoin dominance drop. You'll see altcoins make absolutely massive gains, guys. Be prepared for it. If you want to look at the Bitcoin chart as well here, the weekly looks very, very nice. Look at that wick we saw today, almost up to 68,000. I thought it was only 67, but I must have missed that. It came all the way up to $68,000. Testing this candle right here, I would really love to see a weekly candle closure fill this candlestick. Guys, if we get a weekly candle closure above 68,000, really 67.8, I want to see 68,000. If we see a weekly candle closure above $68,000 on Bitcoin, I am expecting tests of previous highs, guys. And you know what that means. You know that altcoins are going to be absolutely flying not soon after that, guys. Or I should say soon after that, not much. It's going to be it's going to be explosive. All right, I'm excited. I'm excited about it. It's very exciting when Bitcoin is finally making some big moves and making the choice to really go in the right direction here after literally 8 months of sideways consolidation and accumulation. And this is crypto, guys. When everyone gets so bored, that's usually when the pump is around the corner. And I do expect a big move coming very, very soon. Guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.